Hey everyone, Kevin here. Today, I wanted to talk about the Successive Approximation Model, or SAM. You might also occasionally hear it called the Agile methodology, by the way. But anyway, SAM is an instructional design process that is often used in place of the more traditional ADDIE model that I've already talked about in a previous video. SAM tends to be more cyclical and is usually geared toward creating rapid prototypes that can be quickly reviewed rather than the waterfall series of linear steps you see in the ADDIE process. The best way to look at SAM is to really see it as an iterative process where IDs brainstorm ideas and then quickly create them. This allows for constant feedback from stakeholders and SMEs on the course being created during both the design and development phases rather than just at the end. Essentially, you are always in a cycle of designing, developing, and evaluating what has been created. This repetition really helps ensure that the course fully meets the learning objectives and training needs, as well as encouraging really tight collaboration at every step of a project. When you have a prototype of the course for quicker reviews, something that's not quite as polished but it's still functional, you find that changes happen faster. You aren't often stuck in really long, annoying review cycles waiting for feedback during the alpha and beta stages, and you experience more flexibility when adding or subtracting course content. Essentially, you get more warning of potential issues and blockers as a result of this immediate feedback of every step in the design and development phases of the course, which is genuinely useful. Again, this helps maintain alignment with the learning objectives. Plus, this creates a better learning community that engages everyone and is geared toward crafting great solutions to problems instead of just blindly following a training plan that can sometimes be a bit rigid and inflexible. Basically, problems are spotted and resolved quicker in SAM without having to radically redesign the course when an issue is discovered all the way at the end of the beta stage. Personally, I have found that SAM is great for preventing scope creep, and as a result, it has the potential to save you time and budget in the long run. Always remember that triple constraint in the back of your mind, it's really useful. But with all that being said, it is important to note that these sheer number of revisions can feel a tad chaotic at times, so it requires a lot of effort to make sure that they don't get out of hand, since you aren't working with as clear of a training plan. But I plan on covering the positives and negatives of both processes in another video, so stay tuned for that. For now, though, allow me to kind of wrap up this shorter video by pointing out that SAM is a great method in general, but it just depends on the needs of your team and your company. Don't just hop on SAM because it sounds like fun. It takes a lot of stamina and effort, so keep those in mind before choosing the tool that is best for your team at the time you need it. And as always, I'm here to help you with any questions you may have on getting used to these methods. See you next time.